piece of advice. Another word for a piece of advice.
Suggestion.
Suggestion. Very good. Anything else? Anything else? Ananya, very good.
Opinion. An opinion.
Opinion. Okay. Last, we held a dash pose.
They had a dazzling pose.
Dazzling pose. Very nice.
Ma'am, everything is terrified.
Terrified. Anything else? Anything else?
Ma'am, it's like a menacing earthquake.
For their lives. Ma'am, everybody is running for their fear.
Okay, running for their life in fear. Very good. So now let's see how. Yes, tell me, Aryan.
It's so much fun in this class with you.
Thank you so much, and I hope you learned something.